and welcome to another 2-minute tutorial with me, Tess. Today I'm going to be taking you through one of my all-time favourite applications, which is Microsoft Planner. So what I love about Planner is that it can keep me really organised. I can set different tasks for myself. I can also set tasks for other people, so it's a great tool to use with your team or in different project groups that you might be working in. You can all collaborate on the same plan within Planner as well, and you can have multiple plans. The other great thing about it is that it integrates with Microsoft Teams. So if you've got a particular team within Teams, you can also add a planner or task tab up in the Teams group that you're in, which really helps to kind of keep on track of things and keep you all onto a deadline. So I'm going to take you through that now. Let's go. So you can open Planner directly from your browser, as you can see here, and I can see all my plans along the side and on the Planner Hub, so that's like the dashboard. Then I've got my tasks, so these are the ones that are just assigned to me, and I can look at them in different ways, so on charts and in the schedule. I'm now going to create a new plan just to show you how you can do that, so all about 2-minute tutorials. Creating that for me now. And then, as you can see, you can easily add tasks. So it's just there all ready for you to go. You can set a due date, and that automatically goes in your calendar as well. And you can assign different people. So you can assign yourself, but if you're a manager, this is great to delegate tasks to your team. So it automatically gets sent to them. They'll get an email notification that you've assigned them a task as well. What we can also do here is add some more buckets. So you might want to split your plan into different segments, different projects, depending on what you're working on. You can change them or add members of the team as well and filter by different things. Then you can see here on the Planner Hub, it's the new plans there. As we head into Teams, what's great about Planner is that you can also add a tab to your different teams directly from here, which is great. So you can have like a bit of a workflow as you're working on different projects. So they're actually called tasks by Planner and to do within Teams. So you can just search for that or it come up. And it appears as a tab along the top. And as you can see, it looks exactly the same as it does in your browser. So nice and straightforward to use. You can also pin it to the left-hand side. And here, again, like in the browser, you can see it exactly the same, but it's all within Teams, which is just wonderful because it makes it so much easier to navigate. You can see all of your different Teams planners that you're part of, and also things that are specifically assigned to you. And that is a nice whistle-stop tour of Planner. There's loads more to it, and I definitely know I've run over the 2 minutes this time because I love Planner and I wanted to get as much info in that as possible. So there you go. Bye.